Hello everybody. Today is Wednesday and we are in Puerto de la Cruz. It's a cloudy afternoon and I want to show you more specifically Lago De Martianez. Well, Lago De Martianez is a kind of resort you can find here. A lot of pools, bars, restaurants. Of course, you have to pay €5 to get in, and that's Lago De Martianez. Yeah, I wanna, film this now because this facility closes at 5 p.m. And for me, it's kind of absurd because, the sunset is at 8:45. And so closing so early, well, it's not a good thing. Yeah, take a look at the pools right here. I hope one day I can film inside. I'm sure I will. And people are having fun here, trying to get some sunshine. Well, it's not the perfect day because it's cloudy. But for example, yesterday was a beautiful day and people we're here sunbathing. This is seawater and it's changed every day, so it's pretty cold because here seawater is pretty cold. I remember I stayed here in April 2019 and well, it was a dreadful experience. Well, the good experience is when you sunbathe. You just sunbathe. Well, the problem is that due to COVID restrictions, there is of course a number of people who are allowed to stay in, and sometimes in the morning you see a long line of people waiting to get in, and it's it's a good place to go to spend the day. And if you live here, well, you're lucky because you can come anytime you want. You have all the equipment, all the stuff to stay in. Let's go the other way to show more because this is not the whole thing. Well, there is a long line. Yeah, that's because of the cloudy weather. And that's the ticket booth. People are buying tickets to get in. And of course you have someone to check. I remember that was the procedure. And I want to go this way to show more, not this way, but the other way. And you got more, you know, there are pools for everyone, for kids, for people who like shallow waters. You know, there are many types of pools here. Let me go further on. This is another ticket office here. This is another entry to the pool. I mean the pools. And you have more to see. Yeah, also a bar here. Yeah, that's a perfect spot for people to be together. And this is the uppermost part of the pool. Well, this is a quick update about Lago Martianez. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to subscribe, leave me a like, drop me a comment, and ciao for now.